Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be sharing with you how to use Aweber account for your affiliate marketing, for saving your emails and for creating landing page for your products to promote, right? So first go to Aweber account here, aweber.com, right? So once you pop in, you'll see you have to create your account, sign up. I'll be sharing the link in this video, so you can click on the link and you'll get here to this page. So sign up for this page, as I have already account with it, so I'll go with this one. I will enter my details. Yes, so once you log in, you'll see here. Yes, so we are logged in now to the Aweber account. Sorry, the internet is slow. Yes, so here you can see this is my dashboard, right? So this dashboard, what I use this for, so I save my assets here, my emails here, right? So as you can see, I have total subscriber 127 and I keep sending them emails so we can check how many people opened, how many people clicked, right? So everything you can check here. So yes, today we'll talk about landing page, how to create landing page, how to promote your ClickBank products with Aweber account. So yes, for that we'll go to ClickBank. So once you go to ClickBank, sign up, everything, so you will see here affiliate marketplace, right? So once you go to marketplace, yes, so on the left corner you can see you have all the products here. So as I promote affiliate marketing, so I'll go with e-business and e-marketing products. So as I've shown in my last video what to do if you want to promote any product, go to any product section, click here short results. So click on gravity, right? When any product have gravity above 30, it means that product is good to promote, right? So today for an example, I'll be sharing with you how to promote this product, right? So basically, what is affiliate marketing? So to get people's email, you have to give something free to people, right? But it's all up to you. You can still have your email and you can promote your products. So we'll click here to promote, right? And once you click on the promote, you get here, and my nickname I added Yamini, and then generate hop link. So once you generate your hop link, so yes, once you click here, you just copied this link, or you can copy like this. Yeah, click on the right corner and then copy. So this is your link which you have to promote. So now with this link we will create a landing page, right? So also with this link you can check, so once people enter to this link, so where they're gonna reach, right? So it is a link for 12 minutes affiliate marketing. This is really good program, so people can learn affiliate marketing in 12 minutes. And yeah, you can learn here. So you'll see the page. Yes, so once people go on this link, they will see this, right? Sorry about that. Sorry about this. Is this processing? Yes. So from ClickBank, you can promote any product with Aweber. But the thing is, Aweber is free for one landing page only. So after that, you have to buy monthly prescription for that. So yes, I just wanted to show you. Once you click that link, people will go to this page, right? So now you have to collect their emails from Aweber, right? So yes, we'll go to Aweber and we'll click here landing pages. Yes, so once you go here on landing pages, so you will see there are so many pages here that you can choose to promote. Yeah, so we'll click here create landing page. Yes, so you can see there are many templates here. You can choose anyone. So basically you need email, right? We'll choose the simple one, right? So um, we'll have to make a landing page, so we'll use the very simple one. We can choose this one. Yeah, it's good. So basically I create my landing page very simple, like I don't complicate things, right? So yeah, just keep it simple. More the simple is, more the people will like believe in you, because the more complicated, people will not understand what it is actually. Mhm. Yes, so we have choose this product. So now we'll have stuff from this page, like this affiliate page. So once we click here, we'll get all the information, like what we can add into our landing page, right? Yeah, so this is the page. We can exact copy this thing, right? So yeah, who else wants to earn monthly residual income and up to 500, around 500 per sale by promoting one affiliate offer on ClickBank, right? We can have this line, and you can see people here have earned a lot of money, and this is true. This is not fake at all. Yes, because affiliate marketing, they you have to learn. Simply just you have to learn, right? So yeah, you can see we have a lot of stuff here which we can promote, and you can see like how you can earn income from this program. So there is reoccurring income as well, like monthly income. Basically this is, yeah. So there are many programs which is they're gonna promote, right? Yeah. So now we have our system, like we have our material with us. Now we'll create a landing page. For example, now we are here on landing page. Yeah. So how you have to edit it? So firstly, I will just remove this one. I just start removing the things which I don't need, right? So yes, we'll go here. We don't need this one. Yeah, we don't need the video. I don't need this as well. I don't need this as well. And yes, and we just remove this. Yes. So as you can see, we have totally cleared our page. Yeah, yeah. So now here to add the picture, click on the picture, right? So upload an image. So on the right corner, you'll see upload an image. So I'll upload an image from my pictures. Yeah, I'll choose this. Oh, either this one. This is more zoomed picture. Yep. So this is loading. Since it's loading, we'll copy our stuff, right? So yes, who I'll copy the same thing, right? Yeah. So go to your here. Yep. So go here, select all, right click, and then paste. So basically you have pasted this one. So this color is the color is, so we'll do the white. Wait, we have to select that all. Give me a sec. I'll increase this as well, make it bigger. Okay, yeah. So we'll select all this. So it's just uploading the picture. That's why it's just hanging in between. Yes. So you can see once you have uploaded this picture, you go this, and now we'll come back to this one, right? Select all. So we'll increase this to 28, right? And then we'll change the color to white. Yeah. Yes. So clean this row as well. Yes. So as you can see, who else wants to earn monthly residual income and up to this per sale by promoting an affiliate offer on ClickFunnels, right? And then to change this one, to add link to here, right? So I'll show you. Yeah, we'll click here, right? And again, we'll copy the link from that. Yeah. So we'll go to e-commerce, e-marketing. Yes, we'll go for 12 minutes. Yeah, promote. And generate hop link and copy your link. That's simple. Go here, click here on sign up. You can see on the right side page row form. Go to form, design. I'll say like remove the name, just enter your email, submission. So on submission thank you page, you will click here, custom URL, right? So here, click paste the URL you had already. And same here will do. Okay, give me a sec. We'll do this here. Yes, guys. So if you want to start a landing page, so click your link here. So once you click here on sign up, go to form and submission, and then you can click your link, post your link here. Go to simple URL, and it will show some error, but just go back here. So it's all good. It's all submitted. So if you have to change the sign up, we'll change it to let's start. Let's start. Right? And yeah, all good. So you will delete this one as well, right? Yep. So here we can add another line. Yep. 12 minutes affiliate marketing. Right? Yes. So we are all good to go from here. We can do it on bold, right? So yes, it's all good. So now we'll preview this one. Go to preview. And yes, this looks like this. Well, you can change your page like anyway, so I'm just telling you how to edit it and how to create your Aweber landing page. So you can add anything, you can reduce anything, is up to you. So we'll check here mobile device preview, right? So if somebody opens in their phone, they'll check this one. Once they enter their email, right, you will get their email into your Aweber account. So you will have your list here. Yes. So we'll do save and exit. Yes. So once we click on save and exit, we'll see a page here. So which will ask to publish, right? So we'll publish this page. And yes, so now you have got this link. And so anybody who will open this link, so we'll check it out, right? Copy URL, go to Google, paste, and enter. Yes, so people will go here. So once somebody is entering the email, let's start. So once they enter their email, you will get their email and they'll go to this page, 12 minutes affiliate page, right? So let's do it, guys. So you have the people's email, you can send them again any offer. Yeah. So yes, so if somebody start this program here with $9, 12 minutes affiliate marketing, so you will have 50%, almost 50% commission. Sorry guys about the internet, it's way too slow today. Yeah. So if somebody buy from this program, you will get 50% commission, right? And if you want to learn affiliate marketing, I'll share a link with you. You can start it there in my bio. And these are all information like what they're showing, like how much people have earned and how much people are earning from affiliate marketing. Go guys, check it out. This is gonna be future. Yes, I'll show you. So this is legendary marketer. I'm still doing this training, but yes, with freedom breakthrough, accept 3 days challenge. It is 3 days business challenge, and which will tell you how to do everything, like how to start your affiliate marketing from scratch, right? And yes, subscribe this channel if this video is useful for you, and like this video and share this video. And thank you so much coming here. And yes, you can create money with the ClickBank. As you can see, I've worked a little bit, just one day for this one. And yes, it's easy to create a landing page. So once you have created a landing page, people who will come through this one, you will get their emails, and then from here you can create messages and send them emails. For creating messages, I'll be making another video so that that can be more clear for you. For now, thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye, have a good day.